Welcome to Suchy Söhne. Nice to see you. I would like to give you a brief overview of our legacy brand. Suchy Söhne was originally founded in 1822, so 200 years, and it was the purveyor to the Habsburg court. So it was really the emperor's choice to work with Suchy and adorn all his palaces with clocks from the house of Suchy. And just 6 years ago, I restarted the brand again, and we started with a very contemporary approach of continuing with the brand. This is, for example, the Waltz number 1 in a skeleton version. Amazing piece with a skeleton movement. And then we continue, for example, with our Day and Night, with the beautiful second disc. Not every second counts in Vienna. It's more about a slow, easy, relaxed approach to life in Vienna, enjoying Sachertorte and Viennese wine. Then came our beautiful table clock. As Suchy was very famous for the big clocks, the table clocks, and you see this amazing objet d'art. A skeleton movement we have developed in Vienna with a young watchmaster, and it's from both sides amazing objet d'art. A silver gong, gold plated, 8 days of power reserve, hand cut glass. We are collaborating with another purveyor, former purveyor of the Habsburg court, Lobmeier, the famous glass maker. It's cut out of a solid brass block, and then with the skeleton movement, the idea was really to have it in a case that is not just like protecting, but really synchronizing with the skeleton movement. The skeleton movement is sort of the theater play in this wonderful proscenio. And this year we are super happy to be back in Geneva, because for us it was the moment to present now, after the very elegant Waltz number 1, still with the contemporary approach. After the table clock, the table waltz as we call it, now we have the Belvedere, again a very strong reference to our Viennese legacy, our Viennese heritage. The Belvedere features a rotating, moving date window, so every 24 hours the date window jumps to the next place on the dial, so your watch every day looks a little bit different. And it's a little bit bolder, a little bit more casual than the Waltz, but still it keeps this wonderful Viennese elegance. And we have a golden rotor, which depicts the famous facade of the Belvedere, the palace in the center of Vienna. And many little details makes it a very special watch. For example, we have the garden design also on the watch. It has polished and shiny features, and altogether a daily wear watch, I would say, and 10 ATM, so water resistant, just a perfect watch to enjoy a little bit more sporty lifestyle. And hope you can visit us in Vienna one day at our showroom, and please enjoy the show.